Hey YouTube, what's going on today? This is Travis with Travis's Mopar Garage, and we're on Ole Red today. And I'm just thinking about stuff and doing some research on the suspension of Ole Red. I want to tell you all what my plans are. Now the front suspension is going to be pretty straightforward. On these 85 Dodge trucks and up, they're different than the 84s and down, lug pattern wise. In 84, 72 to 84, they're 5 on 4.5. On 85 and up, they're 5 on 5.5. Just like modern trucks. They haven't changed the lug pattern since 85. They call it a metric now, but it's the same. So anyway, what I'm going to do is, since the spindles are the same between the 84 and the 85, I'm going to go and get some 84 discs, put them on there, and boom, I got 5 on 4.5. Easiest way to do this. Also, I'm going to be doing the Holley lower control arms, which those are supposed to drop the front end, I think, 3.5 to 4 inches. So the front suspension is going to be fairly straightforward. I'm going to see if I can find some 90-10 shocks to put on the front for weight transfer. Now we'll go to the back, where I was having some issues because Uncle Tony the other night on his live was talking about, he did a full video on rear suspension of a Dodge truck. Now, I couldn't find it after 2.5 hours of searching. There was some stuff, but there wasn't like a full video, I guess you could say, video write-up on it. So I want to come out here and take a look and kind of see what he was talking about. Now, the suspension he's working on is a little different than the suspension on this truck, because the suspension on this truck is a little different. Close, but a little different. Okay, now then, on the truck he had, the second spring stopped about here, right? Let's see if I can, yeah, okay. It stopped about right in here. Now, myself, on this truck, there's actually another leaf spring in here. That goes all the way up to the front. So, and it's already pinned. So it's almost like these two springs are the same. And I got the clamp on here, which I'd figure that would be a little tighter than that, but whatever. So I probably need to put another good one here, and maybe some in the back. And I was wanting to ask, and I'll probably tag Tony in this, but since I am doing an axle flip on this, it dropped the back end about 6 inches is what I've read. Do I really need this bottom spring? And would that help me or hurt me? So I'll probably tag Tony in this to see if he can maybe answer my questions. But like I said, I'm going to be flipping that over. Now then, I was kind of looking on the pinions number stuff, and I would like a little more information on how they made the cross member for that, for 2 reasons. One, I may want to use the pinions number, but 2, I want that as a backup because I'm really wanting to go Caltrax. So I had Caltrax on the Aspen, and boy, they work good. Once I got them tuned in, they worked beautifully. So, yeah, I'm going to be using the Caltrax on this if I can get them. Because, you know, like, I'm still waiting on spark plugs. You know, so, there's that. Now then, same with the back axles. These are 5 on 5.5. And this is an 8 3/4 rear end. So, I should be able to just unbolt the axle, slide it out. And over here, in my mess, I have this 79 axle here. It's an 8 3/4 out of a truck. The axle should be the same length So I should be able to slide that axle in there, and I'll have 5 on 4.5 on the back too, because all my rims in the back for race car stuff is 5 on 4.5. I haven't done anything with Ole Red since the last video y'all seen, because like I said, I'm waiting on parts, and it's been hot, and I've been working. So I know that's no excuse, but that's just reasons why. I got probably, what is it, like 85 days now, John? I'll be able to get it done, because it's really not a whole lot to do. Just once I get parts and once I get time and get rid of this stupid heat we got, I'll be able to really slam on this thing and get it going. But that's all I wanted to talk about today, and kind of show you what my plans were for the suspension on Ole Red. Alright, y'all have a good one. Take it easy.